Get a feel of it. You know, making sure I got all the calls, making sure that I was processing everything. You know, getting the call, playing fast, and flying to the ball and just competing out there. It went good. Yeah, it went good. It was a great vibe. I had a great time. Everything was fluent. Everything was it was fresh, but it was good, and I enjoyed it a lot. That's up to the coaches. I'm here to just help these guys win, however way that they need me. Whatever way I'm available, and I'm ready. Yeah, it's about growing. Every year, just adding more to my game. However, I need to play, and whatever I need to do, I'm going to do it. Whether that's tackling, whether that's getting the ball, whether that's locking receivers down. However, I need to play. I can do it. I think we played really well. I think they had 16 points. Yeah, I think we did really good. Not letting them score when they was getting down there, making them kick 3 points. I think it was really good. I enjoyed it a lot, and everyone was flying around. Everyone was just competing out there, so it was good.